Tell us about yourself.
I studied Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering where I achieved 6.5 grades. And my final year project about design of building using STAT software best demonstrates my commitment to continuous learning. I paid my fees during my university studies by working as a salesman in a shop where I got the opportunity to improve my communication and interpersonal skill. Also provided me the chance to work in a complex environment. My biggest strength is my ability to achieve target, and I am very passionate and team motivated, which can be evident during my work experience time as a site engineer. I am very adaptable, which can be demonstrated from my work done as a team member during my work experience time. My innovative and collaboration skills were demonstrated during my intern at KSTB, where I learned how to approach and find solutions to problems that come up during work time. My experience and educational qualification make me a very good fit for the position, and I am excited to be a member of your team.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical components to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome?
My innovative approaches to solve problems were demonstrated during my intern at a KSTV, where I learned how to approach and find solutions to problems. There I got the opportunity to manage the renovation work of a building that had so many cracks on the roof. The client asked us to solve this problem economically. If we reconstruct the whole slab, it would be very expensive. So there, we need to solve the problem by reducing financial cost. And at the same time, it must be effective and beneficial to client. We sat together and thought a lot of ideas. First, I investigated the reason behind this type of cracks. Then I applied many engineering solutions roughly on a model. My team members suggested so many ideas like waterproofing and reconcreting the whole floor. But I found all these methods are expensive for the client. After a lot of brainstorming, I suggested to apply epoxy injection method on the roof. It was an economical and effective idea to prevent cracks on roof, and the customer was very satisfactory. I learned to find solutions to problems, and I developed the ability to view problems in different perspectives.
This position requires you to work in a small team with people from diverse backgrounds. Can you please describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively?
My ability to work effectively in a team has developed during my work experience period. There I got the opportunity to work with an enthusiastic team of 10 members. The task assigned to us was the maintenance of a heritage building, and the time span provided for the completion of the entire project was about 8 months. I divided the project into different groups and assigned responsibilities for each member. My initial task was to prepare the entire three-dimensional structural model of the building using 3D Studio Max and AutoCAD software. We discussed and shared information for the successful completion of the project. Our group discussed how to manage and plan the entire work to finish within the allotted time. So we decided to set up a team of workers with a different skill. For setting up a team, we made an effective communication between workers and superiors to know about the skills and specialties of each worker. After getting a thorough knowledge, I assigned duties to each group according to the tender book. For the first 1 month, I noted the quantity and time of completion required to finish each work. It helped us to vary team strength according to workload. It also reduced the stress of workers to a great level. We supported and helped each other to achieve our target. Following this method taught me to think about the possible problems that may occur in a complex work environment, and it helped me a lot to plan works in advance. Apart from that, my university education has included working in teams. Our team scored high marks for the final year group project. The work included regular meetings, preparation notes, setting goals, and in dividing responsibilities.
Our company is known for managing multiple projects, resolving a diverse range of problems. Can you give an example of when you have worked to make a process or situation better or more efficient? What did you do and what was the outcome?
My proficiency in finding solution for improving situation has been demonstrated during my work period. Since the duty assigned to me was site management, I got the responsibility to manage a large group of workers from different countries. To implement work effectively using them, I divided them in groups and explained works to the leaders in each group. It helped to accelerate work speed. Moreover, I need to communicate effectively both with the client and the senior engineer. To do this, I prepared reports and emailed to each senior engineer and managers on weekly basis. In addition, during meeting with the consultant engineer from ministry, I presented the consequence of building a ticket office blocking the front view of the old heritage castle and suggested a new site for the ticket office. Also, during my work time at KSTP, one of my main job responsibility was to calculate salary of employees. But until then, we don't have any specific program to calculate it. So I created an Excel spreadsheet program and it had received good feedback from manager.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. What do you want to improve in your company in the next 1 year?